Hi viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the game object or game objects disappearing in the scene view when you zoom in Unity. So viewers, watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Viewers, you can see that these are the game objects in the Unity hierarchy, and if I zoom in the scene view, you can see that the game objects are disappearing. So viewers, in order to fix this, what you have to do, first of all, click on the game object in the scene view and then press down the F key. Viewers, as I have pressed down, you can see that it is fixed. Now the game object or game objects are not disappearing on zoom in the scene view. Viewers, hope so you liked this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, get information and knowledge, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.